Namaste, Satiharu. Hello, friends. Welcome back. I am Babunee, and today we're going to learn how to say some important Nepali sentences. Are you ready? Let's go. In Nepali, we say Namaste to greet someone. Try saying it with me. Namaste. Now, let's ask how someone is doing. Say Hajur, Lai, Kasto, Cha. And when someone asks you, reply Masanchai Chu. Let's say it again. Namaste. Hajur, Lai, Kasto Cha, Masanchai Chu. Yay, you're learning so fast. Oh no, I'm thirsty. What should I say? In Nepali, we say Malai Pani Dinu Na. That means, please give me water. Let's practice together. Malai, Pani, Dinu, Na. See? It's so easy. Now let's say it again. Malai, Pani, Dinu, Na. Great job.